If you guys stuck around to my last video, towards the end I did mention somebody actually stole the side markers on my car, on the passenger and the driver side, and I didn't know whether to say they stole them or they fell off, but it's not a coincidence that both side markers are actually off the car. And I see a reason why somebody actually stole them is because it's that laser type LED side markers, not like the regular stock one. So I'm guessing somebody just decided to take them, and actually I think while they were pulling the side markers, they actually broke off the bumper as well. So my bumper is not sitting as well. When I push it in, this part, you'll see that it's actually not flush anymore. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to probably put some putty or some glue that is able to fix this. I really need to stop before it just breaks completely. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bumper and show you guys the damage that's underneath. So what made me believe, guys, that somebody actually just pulled off the side markers and took them is that they actually tore off the piece of the side marker right here that was crimped to the fog lights. So it all came in one piece when they took them. And I mean, there's no damage behind the bumper, but they were able to take them. And so what I'm gonna end up doing, guys, I needed to buy a new harness for this. As you can see, I already have it right here. Got it off of eBay for like $14. So now what I gotta do is I'm actually gonna cut this piece off because this is already all messed up. It's kind of loose, and I mean, it's been crimped up like twice. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna crimp up the new harness, and those are gonna be able to get my side markers working again. And I'm gonna have to re-crimp the fog lights to the side markers because this is where I get my power to power up my fog lights. These are the little things I'm talking about, little tool that you crimp. You put wire on one side, the other wire on the other side. You crimp them together with your little crimping tool, and you have them linked up. So it's not that difficult, but just make sure they actually crimp up together pretty nice. So I actually have the purple with white side over here with the old harness, and I'm gonna be putting in the new purple wire with white from the new harness over on this side. So we should be getting power. Alright, so the purple one is actually already in. So now to do the black with yellow on both sides. So one side, the old side, one side from the new side. Usually when it comes to this type of job, I usually go to Efrain. That way he can help me with it. But I've done it under his supervision, and I've seen him do it a couple of times. So I think I have the confidence to actually do it this time by myself, and hopefully it actually works. It's a quick little unboxing and the moment of truth to see if the side markers are actually working. And these are pretty cool. I actually kind of like that this kind of happened because I was able to upgrade again side markers, but these aren't your usual ones. Yes, these are from eBay, but these aren't the side markers that are orange amber looking. These are actually smoked white LED side markers. So instead of having the orange amber, these are actually going to be bright whites. So it's new. I haven't seen cars with it other than the S550, so hopefully this actually looks pretty cool, and I can recommend it to you guys after the install. Moment of truth. All right, they're in. Let's see. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, I don't got power running. That's a bad sign. These should turn on when I unlock the car. Okay. Alrighty, test number 2. I'm hoping it works. Nope. Come on, man. We got them up and running, and look how bright they are. These are smoked clear lenses with a white LED, and the problem was that I didn't crimp them hard enough, so I guess they were making proper contact with the wire. But now they officially work, and I'm super excited. I actually got the job done. Now that side is not torn up, but when I noticed that they actually took it apart, this is not torn up. I actually just taped them out, that way nothing can get inside, no dust or water, etc. I didn't want to risk messing these up, so now I'm going to just connect the side markers to this side and then re-crimp the fog lights to this one. We were able to get the side markers running, and they look absolutely stunning. Check it out. And our mini me right here, Gabriel, is crashing into the video. I don't think you all have seen him in quite a while. Gabriel, look, you like the car? You like the car? Yeah. Right, guys, so the only thing I'm having issues with right now is that I'm actually having trouble with these fog lights. I don't know, for whatever reason, those pigtails with the fog lights are not working out for me today. And I don't know if you guys can notice this. When you fix one thing, something else goes wrong. The headlight, the LED is out. This one's up and running, and now it's something else. So it's like, it's just never ending, you know. With these car things, you never have something done. Nothing ever goes right. You can never have the car 100%. So now I need to go ahead and order new headlight LEDs and try to figure out what the heck's going on with the fogs. The fogs, I mean, I don't need them, but they are nice to have, but I don't know what's going on there. There goes Mia. It's a whole reunion, guys. But yeah, but at least you guys can see that these side markers are legit. These are from eBay. I think I paid like 30 bucks for them. So, you know, I'm always trying to help you guys, trying to find the budget way around things. But they look good. Nonetheless, got the job done. Now I just need to figure out the rest of the stuff. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on what happened and the damage behind the bumper. And I mean, I know it sucks, but I actually got a little upgrade, and I actually like how they look way better than the old ones. And this guy's over here with the Peppa. But guys, again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Drop a like, guys, drop a comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.